I have been in love with Kumkumadi, especially because I do have a problem of recurring melasma or pigmentation. कुछ तो बात है कुमकुमादी oil में. It's an ingredient or a product that's been used even today, thousands of years later, by people in their regular skincare. And I was so joyous when Ayuga started their Kumkumadi skincare because now they've combined the ancient Ayurveda of Kumkumadi oil with new scientific ingredients to give you double the benefit. Today I'm talking about the Ayuga 10% Skin Radiance Face Serum. I've used so much. And this is quite a bit because you just require one drop as part of your morning skincare. Oil in your morning skincare? Yes. The reason why this is called the face serum is because it does have a very, very beautifully light texture. Can you see that? You can barely see the oil and it gets almost immediately absorbed into your skin. I'm going to keep my hand here while we discuss why this 10% face serum from Ayuga is such a beautiful addition to your skincare. Well, the reason why Kumkumadi has survived so many years and has been a part of our skincare is because Kumkumadi is extremely powerful with its vanya herbs in lightening the pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, and also maintaining the health of your skin. Now, health of your skin बहुत बड़ा topic है, क्या-क्या आपको really help करता है आपकी skin को ब्राइट रहने के लिए, dewy रहने के लिए, glowy रहने के लिए, पिंपल फ्री रहने के लिए. It's a very complicated topic. But Kumkumadi is a concoction of so many herbs that all those herbs come together in one drop and it gives you that health benefit. Kumkumadi is actually recommended for all skin types. If you have oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, acne prone skin, hyperpigmentation or melasma like I have, it will still give you benefits. But that's the thing with Ayurveda. Ayurveda was typically created to not only maintain your skin's health today, but also to keep it good and healthy for years to come. So preventive bhi hai and curative bhi hai. And as you can see here, the oil is completely gone. It's just disappeared. I have been using this for months together and all I can say is what a beautiful product. The aroma is brilliant and it also gives you this nice, dewy, silky finish to your skin. And that health to your skin is coming from the beautiful ingredients it's got. It's got olive oil. Olive oil, as we know, is deeply nourishing and moisturizing for your skin. Along with that, it's got squalane. Squalane gives you this great hydration so your skin feels nice and dewy and very glowy almost. It's also got rose oil. Rose oil is very good for removing the dullness, unevenness, pigmentation, acne scars from your skin. So great combination of oils. Now keep in mind, oils also have fatty acids. Now fatty acids will always make sure that your skin barrier is well protected. अगर आपका बैरियर स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको एक्ने स्कार्स, पिगमेंटेशन, अनइवन स्किन टोन से इतनी प्रॉब्लम होगी ही नहीं because the barrier will make sure that your skin remains healthy. It's got jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is the only oil among all oils which has got the same kind of qualities that a sebum has. So when you apply jojoba oil on your face, it actually prevents too much of sebum production by your own skin because the skin feels calm and it doesn't feel कि oh मेरे पास enough oils नहीं है. So jojoba oil's best quality is that it actually controls sebum, which is very good if you have a lot of acne or if you have very oily skin. This particular oil will make sure that your skin remains calm and well balanced and there's no extra production of sebum. Along with that, it has aloe. Aloe will make sure that your skin is always got good moisturization because it's a humectant. It's going to capture the moisture from the environment and keep your skin moisturized. It's got vitamin E, which is of course the health oil for our skin. Apart from it being anti-aging, it also keeps your skin well moisturized. All these ancient ingredients actually help in keeping your skin beautifully well toned, which is so important. And I think somewhere in Ayurveda they realized that given the harshness of sun in a longitude latitude, uneven skin tone is something that a lot of us will suffer from. So keeping ingredients like lotus and saffron and rosehip oil, almond oil in your skincare will make sure your skin remains very, very even toned. Almost magical Ayuga 10% Skin Radiance Day Cream is a day cream that I've been talking about in a lot of my videos. And the reason I absolutely love it is because it gives you the benefit of a fantastic Kumkumadi cream, which is going to make sure that your uneven skin tone and everything that we spoke about the 10% face serum, all of those are further helped with this day cream. What is Even more magical is that it also has tinasorb and zinc oxide, which is going to give you protection from UV radiation. So it's a perfect day cream if you're going to be staying indoors, if you're not going to be in the direct sun, if you're going to be in the car for some time. It'll give you reasonable protection for about, say about 15-20 minutes. Because even at home, the times you go out and come back, or if you have big windows in the house, there's UV radiation coming in, you don't have to apply extra sunscreen if you have the Ayuga 10% face cream with you. It's packed with almond oil, olive oil, raspberry oil. Almond oil, olive oil we spoke about. Raspberry oil is an oil which helps in maintaining the uneven skin tone and also kind of gives you a little bit of fading to your skin. Raspberry oil is exceptionally good in keeping your acne scars down, unevenness, pigmentation. So a very good oil to look for. And as you can see here, it has almost similar ingredients for hydration and making sure your skin is moisturized and has all the goodness of fatty acids as there was in the 10% face serum. Additionally, of course, it does have calendula extract, which is extremely calming and soothing. So this day cream is perfect for any skin type, even if you have oily skin type or even if you have acne skin. For me, it's worked very well. I have dry skin and of course I have an ongoing fight with melasma and with pigmentation. How do you use the 10% Ayuga day cream and the 10% face serum in your skincare during your AM routine? It's actually fairly easy. The cream is very, very light. It has this beautiful color and gets absorbed as easily as the oil had, as you can see here. Now typically you would go in with your face oil after your moisturizer, but when you're using this in your day care, this is what I do. I use all the actives and then I give that about 20-25 minutes to settle in completely. And then I use the 10% Ayuga face serum as my beauty oil for the morning, which means that I'm actually using it under makeup as well. So it gives you nice hydration and moisturization. As you can see here, the moisturizer is completely gone. It's just a very, very light moisturizer, but it's yet extremely hydrating. So I'm going to show you what I do. I use a very tiny amount of face oil on my skin. I'm going to use just 2 drops. And as you can see, it gets completely absorbed into the skin. There is no residue, there's no oiliness, there's no chipchipahat, there is no stickiness at all, and you get this nice dewy finish. So I'm going to let it get absorbed into my skin. I'm going to give it about a minute or two. It doesn't take long at all. Once it's gone in, as you can see here, there's no oiliness or stickiness on my face. I'm then going to go in with the 10% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Day Cream, which is basically a moisturizer with SPF 30 in it. So I'm just going to use that much quantity because remember, I have actives, I also have the oil on my face. So if I'm going to use too much and if I have an oily skin, it's not going to sit well. If I'm going to use too much and there's humidity in the environment, it's not going to sit well. So make sure that you're adjusting the quantity depending on your skin type and also on the environment around you. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to equally distribute it on my skin. And if you'd like to buy it, you know what to do. It's available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart as well. And as you can see, my skin is looking beautifully hydrated and dewy. Healthy skin always looks dewy. What a beautiful combination of 10% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Day Cream from Ayuga and the 10% Face Serum from Ayuga for a beautiful dewy finish. If you've been using these products, let me know how your experience was. For more, of course, I'm going to meet you in the comment section.